Let's say you want to be able to take a saved search from Infusionsoft and export that information to a Google Sheet automatically every week. Maybe it's a list of the latest sales that have come through, or maybe it's a list of members on your membership site that have signed up, or it could be any number of things. And you might want to do this because you don't want to have it so people have to come in and do the custom searches every time or change up the columns that need to appear or any of that kind of stuff. You want a consistent sheet that is always exported at a certain time and be able to make it easy for anyone else to find that sheet by just sharing your Google Sheet basically. So the way I'm going to do this is you're going to take a saved search. Feel free to customize it however you want. And we're just going to have this one here. You can save a new search or whatever it is. And then we're going to go into plus this. And we're going to use a new feature called the Google Sheets Exporter. And this will, the first thing it's going to ask you is which saved search you'd like to export. So we can look through our saved searches here. We'll just do this one for the Google Sheets saved search. And then it's going to ask which Google Sheet you would like to export the results to. So I have a Google Sheet I've already made. It's totally empty. And we're just going to want to export to this one. So Google Sheets Demo is the one we're looking for. So we'll just go Google Sheets Demo. Perfect. It's going to come here. And then we can select the tab you want to export your data to. So down here are your different tabs. I don't have any right now, so we're just going to do Sheet 1. So we can come back here really quick, and we'll just do Sheet 1. And then here is where you have all the timing options you want to do. If you just want to do this like once, or you just want to get it out there right away, you can just do a manual one. And that's what I'll do for the first one, but I want to show you the other options first. If you have a meeting, say every Monday at 10 a.m., and this saved search or report that you're pulling needs to get updated and out for the team by that time, this is an easy way to make that happen consistently. And then you have all of your time zone options down here. Yeah, I just want to show you. It's really easy to go ahead and edit any of these things. So you can make it very custom. But for now, we're just going to do a manual. So you can see what it looks like. Demo Google Sheet. Save. Cool. So we're going to run it. And then boom, right there. Didn't take very long at all. We have all of the people from our test one in here, the email, state, company, and ID, just like I set up in the search. And that is how you do a Google Sheets export. Really simple, really easy, and really helpful.